Hello, my name is Christina Nelson, and I am a Squarespace web designer that's going to be showing absolute beginners how to create a gallery section for their websites. I'm starting out on a blank page. I'm going to press this little icon right here, and this list is going to come up. Simply click on Gallery, and you can choose from any one of these gallery options. I'm going to be choosing the bottom one, Gallery Reel. So this pops up. Now over here, if I didn't want that, I can click on the little garbage icon to get rid of it. If I wanted to duplicate this gallery section, I could click on this button right here and it will duplicate it. If I wanted to move this section up, I can click on the arrow right here. So you're not locked into where that is currently positioned on the page. If I want to customize this, I can click on that. And here you have the option of changing the layout of your gallery section. I'm going to keep it on slideshow reel. If you wanted it to be more full, you can say full bleed. Full is less full, but still full. And inset is there's some extra white space on the sides. You can make the height be small, medium, or large. And you can also customize the height right here. You can change the location of the controls that you flip through right here where it says controls location, below left, below right, for example, below left or center. You can even have them on the side. I'm going to leave that there for now. If you wanted to change the color of the background, you could do that here. Now, let's say you didn't really like any of these colors and you wanted to customize it. You can click on the little pen icon, and on the side panel here, you can customize a whole bunch of things for that section, including the section background. If I click on that green color, I can, it's on the custom item right here, and I can click around and play with whatever color that I like. Down below here, you can move that around to, again, keep on changing the color. I'm going to leave it just how it is right now. If you did want to go back to a palette color, you can click on palette and click there. But I can choose a new custom color. I'll make it be, we'll just make it be this blue color. All right, so that's the background color. Now you might be wondering, well, how do I change the images in the gallery? We'll go over that next. This image right here pops up. I can click on that. On the current image, I can click on the little garbage icon that pops up. And there's two ways to put in different photographs. One, you can click on this little icon and you can say search images. And Squarespace has partnered with Unsplash for free images. So you can type in home, for example, and you can use one of these pictures. Let's say I clicked on this one. I can say add to site, and that'll immediately start putting it into my gallery. I usually do the free section. You can also do premium and imported, but you do pay for a premium. Now let's say I wanted to upload something from my computer. You can say upload images, and you can click on an image from your computer. Now while that's uploading, you can see on this section over here, this is selected, and on this side, you can do a couple different things. You can add a description to that photograph, and you can also, when people click on that image, that can redirect them to a whole nother website. And you can type that in here. If you wanted to open in a new window, you can click on this little gear icon, click on here, and then re-input that, that URL to where it should be going. If there's a specific page within your website you'd like to redirect it to, you can click on page, click here, and let's say I want it to end up in the contact page. You can simply click on that and press save. And then it'll go to the contact page. I'm not sure why it didn't upload from my computer, so I'm just going to do it again. Open. I think it was just being a little bit slow. But yeah, so this would be where you would put all of your images, and you can switch them around simply by holding down the picture and moving it around as well. So you don't have to keep it in that specific spot either. You can move these around as you wish. All right, so close. And that's it that I'm going to be talking about for today. That is how you add a gallery section to your website. If you have any questions, monarchwebdesigns.com is my website. My name is Christina. I'd be happy to help you out with yours. Thanks.